of Keto Daily, we're making pizza. And not just any pizza, but a special Keto Bacon Alfredo Pizza. Only 3 net carbs per slice. This stuff is cheesy and delicious, and the sauce is absolutely to die for. Start off by melting down that grass-fed butter. We're going to add some minced garlic cloves and heavy cream to the pan. Then season it with a little bit of black pepper and pink Himalayan salt just for a little bit of flavor, and stir that together until melted. Next, we're going to sizzle up some slices of uncured bacon, and these are going to be topped right on top of the pizza. So we're going to cook those up and set them aside to cool off and chop them up in just a little bit. You might have thought it was spinach that was the greenery on this pizza, but it's actually fresh arugula. It's got a great flavor and has a good profile for this pizza. For the cheeses, we're going to start off with the mozzarella. Then we're going to spice things up and we're going to choose some other cheeses to go with it. So in addition to your basic mozzarella, here comes a little bit of smoked Gouda for that flavor enhancement that's going to really complement the bacon and arugula. And of course, some Parmesan cheese. Now we're actually going to add the Parmesan into the sauce. It's going to help make this Alfredo thick and creamy. There's going to be some leftovers because we made way more than we're going to put on the pizza. So make sure you get some shirataki noodles or some part noodles or something like that to go with it, because we don't want any of that to go to waste. Next, we're going to make that Fathead Dough with some cream cheese and mozzarella and pop that in the microwave until well melted and stir that together. Then we're going to mix in almond flour as our base, or you could do coconut flour, and a little bit of cage-free scrambled eggs. Stir that together until a dough's formed, and then we want to refrigerate that until it firms up a little bit. And then we're going to line our pizza pan with some parchment paper. This is important to help make sure that the cheesy crust does not stick. Bake that at 425 for about 8 minutes. And then that's going to pre-bake the crust. Now we can go ahead and add a little bit of sauce, cheeses, arugula, and bacon, and top the pizza how you wish. We're going to put that back in the oven until the cheese starts to bubble, and it's going to come out perfectly crispy cheesy.